tea towels may be associated with clean plates and dishes, but research has now suggested they could be harboring the bacteria that causes potentially dangerous food poisoning. Scientists from the University of Mauritius examined 100 towels that had been used for a course a month. As part of their findings, they discovered that E.coli, the strain that causes food poisoning, was more likely to be found on towels used for multiple jobs, such as drying utensils, cleaning surfaces, and drying hands. Damp towels, or towels used in households where eat is eaten, are also more likely to carry the bacteria strain. It was also found that tea towels in the homes of larger families had higher rates of bacteria growth. Dr. Susheela Biranjia-Hurdoyal of the University of Mauritius said, "Our study demonstrates that the family composition and hygienic practices in the kitchen affected the microbial load of kitchen towels. We also found that diet, type of use and moist kitchen towels could be very important in promoting the growth of potential pathogens responsible for food poisoning." The scientists concluded the way to prevent the spread of E. coli via tea towels is to use disposable, single-use paper towels. The NHS advises you wash dishcloths and tea towels regularly and let them dry before you use them again. The health body also suggests a number of other ways to help reduce your risk of food poisoning at home. These include washing your hands using separate chopping boards as washing worktops. Wash your hands. It says to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, warm or cold, and dry them before handling food, particularly after handling raw food, after touching the bin, going to the toilet, blowing your nose or touching animals. Use separate chopping boards. The NHS states, use a separate chopping board to prepare raw food, such as meat and fish. This is to avoid contaminating ready-to-eat foods with harmful bacteria that can be present in raw food before it has been cooked. Wash worktops. It says, wash worktops before and after preparing food, particularly after they've been touched by raw meat, including poultry, raw eggs, fish and vegetables. You don't need to use antibacterial sprays. Hot, soapy water is fine. An investigation by BBC One's rip-off Britain Food found more than 90% of fridges it tested were at above the recommended level of between 3 and 5 degrees Celsius. Anything higher than that could lead to a rapid increase in bacteria growing on food. In warm conditions, 1,000 germs can become 1 million in 2 hours. Dr. Ellen Evans of Cardiff Metropolitan University, whose research was used in the show, said opening and closing the fridge frequently could significantly affect the temperature for a long period. One fridge tested did not return to a safe temperature until 18 hours later. She said, "It is really concerning. The vast majority of fridges are at higher than safe temperatures." She recorded a temperature of 43 domestic fridges for 6 days, and the impact opening and closing had on the thermometer.